Welcome back, everybody. You know, helping neighbors build communities, that's the slogan for the local initiative support corporation known as LISC. It's an organization that is all about putting resources into struggling Houston neighborhoods and turning them into communities where neighbors can work, do business, and raise their children in a safe environment. Here to tell us more about LISC and what the organization does is Executive Director Amanda Timm. Good morning.
Good morning.
And thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Now, I've heard of a lot of organizations here in Houston, but I must say this is the first time I've heard of LISC.
Yes, we're one of the nation's best kept secrets.
Okay, well, let's get the cat out of the bag right now.
That's right.
So what exactly is LISC? How long have you been around, and what do you do?
Sure. We're a national nonprofit. I run the Houston office. We've been in Houston about 20 years, and we've been in the United States for 30 years. You probably haven't heard of us because the best work that we do is done by the partners we work with who are on the front lines in neighborhoods. So our goal is to support them. We support the local initiatives.
Now, when you say support the local initiatives, let's say you're doing something in 3rd Ward. Who do you go to, what do you do, and how do you provide the services to help them improve their own neighborhoods?
Sure. We work with the community-based organizations and community development corporations that are on the ground in neighborhoods like 3rd Ward. So they may be doing anything from starting an affordable housing project where they're going to offer apartments or homes for sale, and we support them with grant dollars or loan dollars to do the project, or other technical assistance and training. So we are active in real estate development, but we also provide a lot of other supports for other programmatic efforts in community engagement.
And that also revolves around something that I know you wanted to talk about, the financial opportunity centers.
Yes.
What's that? Because you might think that it's a bank.
Right. Well, it is a new program that we have here in Houston based on a model formed by the Annie E. Casey Foundation. And what it does is locate in one place in a neighborhood where there's an existing organization that the neighborhood residents already trust. It builds a collaboration there where families can go and get help to find a better job, improve their employment situation through skills training, resume writing, things like that, but at the same time work on their financial education so they know how to manage their money better and get coaching on that for their own situation. And at the same time access public benefits, whether it be scholarships for a community college or child care benefits, health care, things like that, so that they can work towards leaving poverty and having a stable financial future.
Who is eligible, or maybe I should rephrase it, who can take advantage of what you're offering?
Anyone can take advantage of it. Some of the programs are geared towards families that are considered low to moderate income, so working families that are working really hard to make things, work for them financially. So anyone's eligible, they're welcome to go, and the agencies that are working in collaboration there will help them.
On your website, you mentioned a holistic approach. What exactly is a holistic approach to a particular neighborhood?
Right. What that really does is recognize what the groups on the ground have already been doing. They know that you can't just address one thing at a time in neighborhoods. Everything is connected. If you're going to offer people a place to live, you have to make sure that they can keep their job and keep paying their rent or paying their mortgage. That if a neighborhood isn't safe, people aren't going to enjoy their neighborhood. They need safe streets, they need places to play, they need ways to better their life. They need access to health care. So it's really looking at that all connected in an integrated way. And what we're doing is supporting those neighborhood residents to meet each other, come together, form a plan, and work on those. And our role is to support them in doing it with resources, dollars, and relationships.
So you don't come into an area and say, okay, well, we're going to be in charge. Oh, no. You say, wow, you have all of these things. Let's see how we can coordinate them, so to speak?
Yeah, we prefer to be invited. We say, you guys are doing great work. Can we help? These are things that we have available that may be helpful. And we ask them, is this a good time to take on something this big? And if the answer is yes, then we listen to them and offer what we can.
That is great. And now I know something about LISC. Now it's time to let our viewers know how they can find out more information about LISC. There's a phone number on your screen, 713-334-5700. Or if you prefer, you can log on to lisc.org/Houston. And again, LISC stands for?
Local Initiative Support Corporation.
Thank you so very much, Ms. Timm, for being here and sharing this information, because it is very crucial and very important to the many neighborhoods here in Houston.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.